YouTube and welcome to my channel. In this totally awesome episode,
pun intended,
we're going to be drawing, you guessed it, turtles. Well, shall I get started, Inky?
I like turtles.
I take that as a yes. Let's go. The first step in drawing your turtle is drawing a line that looks like this. The next step is doing a line that looks like that. Then you do a line here and a line here. If you want to make your turtle smiling, you can do that line there, a line here, color this part in, and do a line there for the tongue.
Fun fact, turtles actually have beaks.
The next step is drawing a circle here, drawing a circle inside of it, drawing a little circle here, and filling in the smaller circle. You can also do this for an eyebrow. The next step is doing a line here, a line here, and a line here for the shell. Then you do a line here and another line here. Copy what I'm doing here and do a squiggle right here for the tail. The next step is
avoiding that little fly.
Drawing the feet. You do a square shape here with some shapes that look like that. Then you do one of those there, here, and here. You do the same thing on the opposite side. Then draw these lines here.
You know how turtles communicate with each other?
How, Inky?
With shell phones.
That's a good one. Then you draw some shapes here. This step might take a while.
What was the turtle doing on the highway?
I don't know. What?
About 1 mile per hour. Get it? Because turtles are slow.
I get it, Inky. And then you can decorate these shapes however you want. I'll do spirals in mine. You could do stars or hearts or polka dots or stripes or anything you want.
A turtle shell is made up of different plates that are joined together in different patterns. These plates are called scoots. Hashtag turtle knowledge.
And lastly, this step is optional. You can do this here. And that's how you draw a turtle. I'm going to color mine in time lapse. And now you're done drawing this turtle. What do you think, Inky?
I think this has helped me to come out of my shell.
Good for you. Anyway, thank you, Jonah, for suggesting this turtle. If anybody else has any recommendations for what I should draw next, you can email me at drawingwithinky@gmail.com. Have a nice day. Thanks. See you next time.
Bye. And keep on drawing.